Get noticed in this 2010 Chevrolet Equinox. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Memory settings are just one of the extras. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.